This red velvet banana bread recipe is insanely good. This is a recipe you need to bake for that special love of your life this Valentine. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, we're going to mash our bananas. Make sure you're using very ripe bananas. Once you're done mashing your bananas, then you now go in with your oil. You can choose to use melted butter. Then after that, add in your sugar and then followed by your eggs. Next you go in with your flavor, and sorry I missed the clip here, I've added my milk, my buttermilk. Now I'm adding my Greek yogurt. This is the secret ingredient for having very moist banana bread, Greek yogurt. So after that, you're going to mix everything up together and then you set it aside. Now we're going to get our dry ingredients, which is our flour and then our cocoa powder, followed by our baking soda and then our baking powder, and finally our salt. Sorry, and one last thing, our red food color. I'm using the powdered red food color. You can use the liquid one if you have that. And then just mix them up together, and now we're going to sift this into our wet ingredients. The full measurement is going to be in the description box below, so do check that out. So this is episode 2 of our banana bread series. If you don't know, we're doing banana bread series on the channel, and this is our episode 2. We've done episode 1, which is the lotus biscuit banana bread recipe. If you haven't seen that video, please watch this video till the end and click on the suggested video after this, or I'm going to list it in the description box below so you can click and watch. Okay, thank you. Now you're going to mix this together and mix thoroughly until you don't see any traces of flour anymore in your batter. Mix until it's smooth, but do not overmix. So now our batter is looking really lush and smooth, and now this is our culture on this channel. After mixing with your whisk, you have to always go in with your spatula so that you can mix thoroughly from beneath the bowl and be sure everything is mixed in properly. Now next we're going to pour our batter into our lined pan. So you can decide to use any topping of your choice to garnish your cake. Here I'm using white chocolate chunks. We're going to bake this in our preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. And our banana bread is ready, looking so beautiful and so delicious. Smells really good. So guys, I've dropped the recipe. Now it's up to you to go get your mixing bowl, your ingredients, and everything you need to make this delicious banana bread for the love of your life, because Valentine's Day is just tomorrow and you need to do something special for that love of your life. Because see how beautiful and delicious and moist this banana bread is looking. You need to really give this a try, and let me know in the comment section how you're turned out, and I'll be glad to read your comments. So until I come your way again next time, stay blessed, and don't forget to stay tuned to our banana bread series, and stay happy and happy baking. Bye.